I've been in the industry for the last 10 years, predominantly in structures-based roles, working both in New Zealand and the UK, where I did a 2-year stint as a temporary works designer. More recently, when I've come back to New Zealand, I've been working in the rail sector down in Wellington, where I've worked on the Trentham to Upper Hutt rail project and more recently the PACE project. I think having a structures background and temporary works background gives me the ability to interface on a technical front and to help come up with innovative solutions that are quite often required within the rail corridor. Downer's strengths in the rail sector are, one is our digital capability that really sets us apart. Being able to see the world in a 3D point of view enables us to hone in on problems at an early stage. It also allows us to get into the much deeper detail in the planning processes, and it also enables us to come up with great innovations such as the digital shield technology that we're using to make the construction site a lot safer. The second thing that I think that Downer does really well is managing its relationships with the clients. On the back of some of the projects that we've done down there, we've formed a really good relationship with them. It's enabled them to have the surety that we're going to be able to deliver a great project at the end of the day. We have some really clever people within Downer, and it's great to see them being put to use to come up with some great innovations throughout, both not only in the rail sector but through all the sectors, to come up with great ideas for some really quite complex problems.